afternoon, everybody on YouTube. This is Jamila Shields back with the Newbie Marketer. I have been away for about a week, taking care of some things for my daughter's graduation. It's all over, so I'm back to give you more tips, tricks, and reviews on network marketing, online marketing, affiliate marketing. And I am ready to go ahead and dive in today. It will be a quick video for you guys today. Just three free traffic strategies that I have done in the past, and it does help reach more people excuse me, to your offers. So I'm going to go ahead and dive in. I'm happy to be back. Haven't seen you guys, haven't talked to you guys in a while. So I'm happy to be back, and I will go ahead and dive in. But first, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell button over there in that little corner for more information I will be bringing you every week. Okay, so let's go ahead, and I want to go over 3 free traffic strategies that I have done and used myself to bring in more people and more eyes on my offer, okay? And everybody likes free stuff, right? So try to do things, you can do paid traffic, which is also great, but put them both together, you have an awesome deal, right? So right now we're going to go over the 3 traffic strategies that I've used before, my teammates have used, and they are proven to work. Okay, so I'm going to share my screen with you guys. Alrighty. All right, so free traffic strategies that I wanted to go over, and let's go ahead and do this real quickly. All right, so the first one will be organic traffic. And with organic traffic, you have to know who your target audience is. Who's your avatar? Your avatar would be that person that you can really, 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 really feel like you. It's almost like you're talking to yourself. You know where you've been through. You know what your struggles have been in the marketing game. You know what what you've tested and what's came out for you, what's good, what's bad, and you know what you've gone through to make it, to get there. That's your avatar. Basically, you're going to be talking to yourself. You're going to be talking to that person. I'm a single mom. I'm going to be talking to that single mom. I'm going to be talking to that person who has to do everything. And sometimes doesn't have, a lot of time, has time, but has very little time to get things done in a day. So I'll be targeting that person. That will be my avatar. Who is your avatar? So you will have to actually figure out who's your avatar, who are you going to talk to, and who are you targeting when you're doing organic traffic. You're going to talk to people, meaning that you're going to talk to people, be it through social media, be it through text messages, be it through emails. You're going to talk to someone, and then you want to help someone. To reach one is to teach one, right? So how can you actually teach someone? You learn yourself. The tips and the tricks that I give you are things that I've done myself, that I've seen be proven. Like I said, my teammates have done it. We've all seen it to be proven. And I would like to show somebody else. So you help someone. Someone may have a question. Go into forums. You can go into forum that on Google. Go through Google and look up forums for your niche. Go through it and see who is actually asking questions. And that's also how you can also find your avatar too, because you can go through and find out what people are really suffering with, what questions they're having. Go ahead and answer those questions. Someone on social media may have a question, and you can go ahead and answer that question too. And with your organic traffic, make sure you hit pain points in your marketing. I'm going to do a video on content marketing also, but make sure you hit the pain points. Like I said, what are they suffering with? What's going on the inside? That really deep pain point. What is going on? What is hindering them from making, their goals, from reaching their goals? Hit those pain points. Are they looking for the time freedom? Do they need more money? Want to spend time with their family? Or give a solution to their problem? Give a solution to their problem, okay? Be it one of those, or if it may be something else. Whatever you find out, whatever you're going through, whatever you can see out here, that's what you're going to give a solution to. So today I'm giving you 3 strategies to get organic traffic, to get free traffic, and get more eyes to your offer. But you don't get them. You got to bring them in. You got to build that relationship with those people. And that's what the free traffic does. Okay, these 3 strategies does. So next, we're going to go into Facebook marketing. Let's go back. Facebook and YouTube. So with Facebook, let's go back. There we go. Facebook marketing and for social media. What I've done before and what I have been doing, like I said, I've been kind of away getting things together for my daughter and her graduation and all of her end of the school events. So she's all done. Summer's here, yay. But post at least 3 times a day on Facebook. What are you going to say? What are you going to post on there? One, you're going to post lifestyle post, something that your everyday life. You are a human. You are a general person, right? So you're a regular person. Let them know that you are a regular person, that you live an everyday life just like them. You live an everyday life. So post at least 3 times a day, lifestyle results. You're going to have some results in your business. It may be that your YouTube channel is growing. It may be that you made a sale today. It may be that you're growing and your leads are growing. Someone signed up when you're downline. Something, whatever results that you may have, small or large, post those results on Facebook. People get to see that not only are you a regular person, but you are still working your business and it's working for you. Then give value. Make a value post and give encouragement. Teach somebody something. Do a small lesson. Sometimes you can do a Facebook Live and just teach somebody, or do the Facebook screens. Do the Facebook Lives and do the watch parties. That's what I'm thinking about. Or you can do a watch party in certain groups and then teach something to those people. That's a free Facebook traffic method right there. And you're going to still be giving them value during the day. So post at least 3 times a day if you can, and do lifestyle, results, and value. Join groups that are familiar with your niche, that are within your niche. If you're in health care, you're in lifestyle, fitness, CBD oils, join those groups. And in those groups, guess what you're going to do? You're going to interact with them. You're going to interact with people in the group. You're going to answer questions. You're going to talk to them. And you're going to help somebody out. And you're going to build a relationship with people, okay? You're going to request friends in those groups. And you're going to talk to those people who you accepted their friend request, that accepted your friend request. You're going to talk to them. You're going to say, hey, how are you doing? Thanks for accepting my friend request. Hope all is well. And then so on and so on. I'm not saying go in the inbox and spam. I'm saying you're going to send them a message in the inbox and say, hey, thanks for accepting my friend request. Hope that we can do business later. I hope your day is well. Something of that nature, but speak to them. Don't just say, okay, I'm just going to add just my friends so my list can get bigger. No, you want to build relationships. That's what these free traffic methods are about. building relationships with your audience, okay? And last, where am I at? YouTube. YouTube, of course, is the second largest search engine out there under Google. So when you are on YouTube, the more you post, the more videos you post, the more you gain subscribers. As your subscriber list is growing, mine is growing. It's growing. I'm at 61 now, which when I first started, I was at like 20 something. So it's growing. It does work. That's how you know that it's working. I've had people actually sign up under me through my YouTube videos. I've had people ask, leave comments and questions, and I've gained relationships with people just through YouTube videos. So you would do a video every day or every week. I would say every day is best. That way you can also stay up in the rankings. Make sure your descriptions are detailed to the video. So when you are making your descriptions, make sure the keywords that are in your description match the words that you're saying in your video. So make sure it's video. I'm sorry. Make sure your description is detailed to your video. And then you're also going to put your links to your offers in your videos. You're going to put those links down there, and then once someone, reads your detailed description, they can actually also click on the links, give them a call to action. That's one thing I didn't put on each one. Give a call to action. Even on your Facebook, give a call to action. Say if you want to know information, you can message me, ask me how, raise your hand. Whatever your call to action is on Facebook, do that. And also on YouTube, give a call to action. Let them know what you want them to do. Okay, and then just keep on building those relationships. So these are my 3 favorite free traffic methods. And I just wanted to share them all with you guys. So I am so happy to be back again to talk to you guys. And again, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell button for more notifications. I will be bringing you for more tips, tricks, and reviews on different products and different offers and how to get out here and win in this marketing game, you guys. So go ahead and like, subscribe, and hit the bell button. And I will talk to you guys later. And if you want to know, before I go, you want to know what I do, what my major money maker is, I want to put the link down in the description below. Go ahead. Remember, the links are in the description. So go ahead and read my description. Go ahead and click those links. You never know what you're going to get. You never know what you may like and what is good for you. Okay, so I will talk to you guys again later. Don't forget to be awesome, and we are going to be out of here. Talk to you later, hopefully tomorrow. Bye bye now.